welcome to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle and I'm here to take you through another amazing project. This is really fun because it's the start of a series for us. We are going to be doing a character drawing series, a very simplified version of different characters that we all know and love. So our very first character, which I am a huge fan of The Mandalorian, so I'm very excited to be doing this. We are going to be making baby Grogu. It's so cute. I love it. So this is a really simple way to draw a little Grogu. If you enjoy this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And let's get started. Wonderful. So we're going to start with the head of our baby Grogu. So we're just going to do a very shallow U for the bottom of the head, and then we're going to do a rainbow for the top of the head. Just go nice and slow. And then we're going to create the collar of baby Grogu's coat. So we're going to start on one side and go down and then straight across to about the middle. And then we're going to draw a little bit of a curved line attaching down the center, and then do the same thing on the other side, go down and then draw a line over to that center line. The next thing we're going to do are the sleeves. So we're just going to draw our arm going down and then just create a little bit of a cup sleeve like that. So it's like the bottom half of a square. So we're just going to do the length of the arm, and then you can just create the little sleeve by going over and up. Then we're going to do the little hands. So I just did 3 little fingers. So I did 3 little U shapes that are all attached like an upside down cloud. And then we're going to do the center of the cape. So we're going to draw that center line going down and then over. And you can start from the hand and just attach it at the bottom. So we're just going to create that line there and attach it at the bottom. Beautiful. So now we're going to do the ears. So we're going to start on the side of the head, and I just did a slightly curved line going straight out like that. So just curved at the front. And then we're going to curve it just a little bit and bring it in, and you want to run that line parallel, and then we're going to curve it down into the head again. Then for the floppy part of the ear, we're just going to make a curved line from the end going down and then into the face. So we'll do the same thing, so that long top of the ear, and then run your line parallel here just like that. It's okay if it's not perfect, and then curve it into the head. And starting at the end of the ear, we're just going to curve the inside of that ear line in to the face. Adorable. So then we're going to create the eyes. So we're just going to do 2 big circles. You can do your eyes however you would like to, but I thought this looked really cute. And then we're going to create the reflection. So I did a big circle on the inside, and then I did a little circle as well for the double reflection. Beautiful. And then I did just a little U shape for the nose and another little U shape off to the side for the smiley face. Perfect. So now we can just color everything in. So we're just going to color in the eyes there, all black. Amazing. So just take your time. You can pause the video and color everything in. So we're just going to color that in black there. And then I chose a green, just kind of a medium toned green to color in baby Grogu. You can choose whatever shade of green you would like. If you like the markers that we're using or the colors that we're using, I've also linked them in the description down below. So I just colored in the very top of the ears and then the whole face and the little hands. So I just took my time, colored in those places. So just the tops of the ears, the face, and the little hands. Then with a lighter shade of green, I just went right underneath the top of the ear there. And then with a pink, I colored in the inside of the ear. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just thought it was cute. And then with a lighter shade of brown, I just colored in the very top of the coat or the cape there, and then the tops of the sleeves. And then with a darker shade of brown, I colored everything else in, just like this. Again, you can pause and take your time. I'm sure your baby Grogu looks so cute. Perfect. And then we are going to do the shadow. So I just added some dark purple. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I just did some dark purple right underneath the Grogu, and then
I took a lighter purple and kind of tried to fade that in a little bit. Amazing. And when you're done, you can send us a photo. I hope you loved making this with me. And if you did, make sure to subscribe and follow for more. And I'll see you guys next time.